a transition idea. I ain't trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my
Okay, I had this idea about this transition. I don't know if anybody did this already, but I think not. Look at the time. Please tell me if I'm wrong. Okay, I don't know. I thought we could get a little bit festive. Oh my god. By the way, I have one nail. One nail on both of my hands. All the girls on here with their Christmas nail, and here I am still rocking my one nail from November. We're gonna do a little holiday Christmassy, you know, look event because I want to feel festive. I still don't feel Christmassy. Am I the only one who doesn't feel Christmassy? There's no snow. There's no, you know, holiday joy. There's nothing. It's the season to spend too much money. La 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 la. I feel like we need some holiday, you know, color in those cheeks. I feel like I want a little bit of blush, you know, the festive look. Oh, I really said festive. I really said Rudolph. We need to make this less red. God. I'm gonna try to do like the quickest holiday makeup ever. This is a big black pencil. We are going to smear it a little bit out. Then we're gonna take some sparkles, you know, and I'm just gonna smear it on my eye with my finger. Now the lashes. Now I know the red lip is festive, but I'm going for easy. Every single video, we are going for just nice lined lips. Ooh. I feel like something's missing. The freckles. I gotta do the freckles. Hi, Fabiola. This is your brush, by the way. Hi. A little casual. Oh my god. I ruined it now. I don't know. I said freckle. I didn't say rash. Okay, hair change. Outfit change. Woo! And now I'm gonna do this filter because I'm dramatic. This is the easiest transition of your life. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
eyes, don't that feel nice? Why should it end? Baby, I could have been him.